Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About number 1, that's about sin x squared plus cosine x squared. Next, sin x squared divided by sin x, cosine x squared divided by cosine x squared. So in this situation, we have two fractions in here. The first one, that's about sin x over cosine x squared. And the second one, that's about 1 over sin x. 1 over sin x, that's about cosecant of x. The integral of cosecant of x, you will got about negative ln of the absolute value of cosecant of x plus cotangent x. And now I will concentrate about this one. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cosine x. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, you got about du equal to negative sin x dx. Because we don't have negative sign in here, so we put the negative next to du. So you will got about u square sin x dx will change for negative du. The integral of negative du over u square, you got about 1 over u plus c. About u, you got about cosine x. Now we have this one, and we put this one to replace for this one, and you got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.